Tension envelops the atmosphere in Rivers State as Court of Appeal Nigeria is inviting parties scheduled for a Zoom meeting. Hello viewers and welcome to Infogist TV. The Court of Appeal Nigeria is inviting parties involved to a scheduled Zoom meeting. Topic: Court of Appeal Port Harcourt Division Visual Court sitting, at which judgments and rulings will be delivered in the following appeals. 1. CA/PH/137M 2024 between Honorable Enyada Clifford Kukigam, Executive Chairman Opobo Nkoro Local Government Area and 6 others, against the Governor of Rivers State and others. 2. CA/PH/198/2024 Honorable Martin Chike Amehule and 24 others, against Right Honorable Victor Okojombo and 5 others. 3. CA/PH/172/2024 against Honorable Augustine P. Ngo against People's Democratic Party (PDP). 4. CA/PH/145M/2024 between Honorable Enyada Clifford Kukigam, Executive Chairman Opobo Nkoro Local Government Area, and 6 others, against the Governor of Rivers State and others. This Zoom meeting is dated Tuesday, June 11, 2024, time 10 a.m. West Central Africa. It is also stated that all parties must be properly robed to attend the Zoom meeting. Parties must strive to select the best internet connectivity. Parties must ensure that their connecting device shows the name of the council. Recommended devices are the desktop, laptop, and tablet. 5. All parties should endeavor to connect 30 minutes before the visual court session begins. An appearance will be taken before the commencement. Now, we should recall that a Rivers State High Court sitting in Port Harcourt has declared that the 25 members of Rivers State House of Assembly, led by Right Honorable Martin Amehule, are still members of People's Democratic Party (PDP). The court, in the decision on Monday, struck out a suit filed by Wosa Madi and 3 others seeking to declare the seats of the 27 lawmakers vacant following their defection to the All Progressive Congress in December. Justice Okobule Basam, in the judgment, held that Martin Amehule and the 26 other lawmakers are still members of the People's Democratic Party (PDP). Basam also ruled that the claimants failed to prove to the court that the 27 lawmakers truly defected to the All Progressive Congress (APC), noting that the said defection cannot be established through newspaper publications, radio announcements, or online publications. The court said a defection can only be established through the party membership register, a membership card, and such membership fulfilling all requirements of their membership in the party. But reacting to the judgment, the Rivers State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Dagogo Iboroma, said the judgment could not be true because, according to him, the Rivers State High Court lacked the jurisdiction to entertain the case. Iboroma said, as the Honorable Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice and the third defendant in the suit number DHC/20/CS/2024, my attention has been drawn to a recent judgment. The suit did not seek to declare the seat of Martin Amehule and 26 others in Rivers State House of Assembly vacant. The suit of the claimants was struck out for want of local standing and jurisdiction, and also for being an abuse of court process, which robbed the trial court of jurisdiction to adjudicate on the matter. There is misleading news circulating in social media, print and electronic media that Martin Amehule and 26 others are members of the People's Democratic Party (PDP) and the Rivers State House of Assembly. Now, as you all know, Martin Amehule and 26 others defected from the People's Democratic Party to the All Progressive Congress on the 11th day of December 2023 and stated that much in the affidavit evidence deposed to by Martins Ameghule for himself and on behalf of the 26 others in the suit number FHC/ABJ/1681/CS and 2023 before Honorable Justice Donatus Okorowa of the Federal High Court Abuja Division. The suit is still pending in court by Section 272 Sub 3 of the 1999 Constitution. As amended, it is only the Federal High Court that can determine whether Martins Ameghule and 26 others are still members of the People's Democratic Party and also members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. This much was held by the trial court. However, you will recall that there is a subsisting order of interlocutory injunction in suit number PHC/512/CS/2024 restraining Martins Ameghule and his co-travelers from further parading or presenting themselves as lawmakers in Rivers State, pending determination of the substantive suit, which has not been appealed against to date. We urge the public to disregard the news presently making rounds in social, print, and electronic media to the effect that Martins Ameghule and 26 others have been declared as members of the People's Democratic Party and the Rivers State House of Assembly. Meanwhile, the Coalition for Justice and Accountability (CJA) has asked the National Judicial Council (NJC) to review the decisions of a Rivers State High Court which refused to declare the seats of 27 members of the State Assembly vacant. In a statement shortly after the judgment, the CJA, through its president Dada Akin, faulted the rulings of the court. In the letter of defection submitted by Martins Ameghule and 25 others on the floor of the Rivers State House of Assembly on December 18, 2023, the members cited divisions in the PDP as reasons for their defection. The statement reads, "Same evidence was placed before the court and the judge still went ahead to rule that the defected members are still PDP members and therefore still members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. It is unfortunate that this sad day for our judiciary is before us. We, however, wish to state that the judgment is unacceptable. The matter must be persuaded by the plaintiff to a logical conclusion. Finally, we call on the National Judicial Commission (NJC) to immediately wade into this issue at the Rivers State High Court, Degema, because the judgment will cause further damage to already battered image of the judiciary." Now, this recent news has caused a lot of reactions by netizens on social media. Ben commented that people have openly defected to APC. That court is ruling they are still PDP members, so that they have a ground to impeach Fubara. In Nigeria, controlled by demons, Nigerian court is now governed by the principle of the highest bidder. Dominion Sanity Omogo also commented, "Some are just wicked. When it goes their way, the judiciary is doing well, but it goes the other way, the judiciary is corrupt." Victor Elemoha also commented, "The court has spoken. The judiciary is truly living up to its responsibilities. When politicians see the court as a sure means of resolving crisis, then that is glaring that democracy is being emboldened and strengthened in Nigeria." J. Paul said, "By reason of their anti-party activities in the state, they have publicly declared themselves as APC members. Court cannot force them against their will. They no longer function as PDP elected candidates, having defected." Gode Ovenose also commented that "Wonders shall never end. Nigerians, I hail thee. The judge wants to force PDP membership on the defected River State lawmakers. Chai, some of the Nigerian judges are just openly making mockery of the Nigerian judicial system." Ngozi Uzoma also commented, "Please, how many government do they have in River State? Christian Chibundu tweeted, "Can a high court overturn another high court judgment or order? Politicians have made a lot of mockery of our judiciary system. This is the reason things can't work well in this country." CN King also commented, "When laugh at issues that is very critical. We laugh at issues that is very critical to our democracy. The probe these men are creating, we'll fight them back soonest. I only pray if Nigeria will remain in the next coming election. Now the House of Rep is pushing for 6 years tenure for president and governor." Chuks Emmanuel also commented, "Even on the face of a subsisting judgment of another high court on the subject matter, the present judge who gave the later judgment needs to be disciplined by the NJC, though they are now resistant to NJC.